Welcome to Nashik, the city that sits on the holy river of Godavari, famous for its temples, and the popular Kumbh Mela makes it the top pilgrimage town of Maharashtra. It is also a defense and aerospace manufacturing hub, as the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's aircraft manufacturing plant is located here. The presence of the currency note press and the Indian security press makes it even more significant. There are many pious places near Nashik, like Trimbakeshwar, which is one among the 12 Jyotirlingas, Shirdi, which is home to the famous Saint Shri Sai Baba, and Vipassana Center situated at Igatpuri. Nashik is popularly known as wine capital of India. Late Shri Dadasaheb Phalke, pioneer of the Indian film industry, hailed from Nashik. The nearest airport, Ozar, is just 21 kilometers away from Nashik. One of the main departments of the Indian Railways, electrical engineering, shoulders lot of responsibilities in operation of train services. Indian Railways Institute of Electrical Engineering, Irieen, was set up in Nashik in 1988 by the Indian Railways for imparting training to newly appointed officers of Indian Railway Service of Electrical Engineers. Irieen is the one of the 7 centralized training institutes that share the task of the training of officers recruited through examination conducted by Union Public Service Commission, New Delhi. The motto of Irieen is Ano Bhadraha Kratavo Yantu Vishwataha, meaning let noble thoughts come to us from every side. The institute endeavors to impart quality training in the field of electrical engineering and related technologies. It deploys state-of-the-art infrastructure and competent faculties for training on traction technology, power electronic, energy management, etc.
We at Irieen pride ourselves at being the part of one of the largest organizations, that is the Indian Railways, which is the lifeline of the nation.
As laid down by the Railway Board, the institute imparts training to Indian Railway Service of Electrical Engineer probationers, integrated orientation course for Group B officers in all aspects of the working of electrical department before their absorption in Group A services are also conducted. Senior Professional Development course for junior administrative grade officers prior to their being considered for promotion to selection grade are held. Irieen also conducts training courses for ACG grade and serving electrical engineers of Indian Railways and other departments involved in train operation. Short-term special courses are also being conducted throughout the year on specialized subjects with the latest technical know-how and as requests received from zonal railways. In addition, Irieen also conducts courses for dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited, DMRC, RITES, IRCON and foreign nationals. Whether you are a nature lover or not, one is surely going to fall in love with the nature once you are in Irieen. Irieen is spread over a wide area of 54 acres, which makes it possible to have a widespread garden area. The lush green beauty is mesmerizing and adds beauty to already so beautiful Irieen campus. The fresh air they rendered is much required in today's environment that is otherwise filled with pollution. The very fact that Irieen is situated in a city known for its greenery and uber-cool climate makes the hostel life perfect. The hostel in Irieen has 34 single-seated and 43 double-seated fully furnished rooms. A home away from home can be the perfect words to describe the kind of facilities provided by the Irieen hostel. With a comfortable and hygienic dining area, nutritious and delicious food.
The mess at Irieen serves wholesome and palatable food. It's well cooked and offers array of choices.
Here we make sure that we serve tasty and hygienic food. Hygiene and health are given the most importance in my kitchen.
Once in Irieen, all trainee officers register themselves on Irieen Intranet network through the IT lab. Around 30 trainee officers can perform the computer practical at one go. As Irieen has a fully air-conditioned computer lab with PCs connected through LAN. Add-on facilities like multimedia projector and internet connectivity are available. The seminar hall and director chamber has been updated by installing a state-of-art video conferencing unit to help connect to DG Nair, Railway Board, all other CTIs through video conferencing. Let's now visit the Power Electronics Lab. It is here that the trainees actually get knowledge and hands-on experience about knowledge of working, functioning, operation and control logics of electronics for traction rolling systems, general services and all other things related to electrical traction department. Actual simulators of various modules are created to give the field-like experience to the officers. To impart knowledge to the officers in the field of electric traction distribution, a model of 25 kV traction substation TSS has been prepared. This model exhibits various equipment being used in traction substation, an eyesight OHE at open space with details like foundation and OHE equipment is a great attraction for the trainee of ERE courses. Computer-based training module has been introduced for trainees. Participants keep abreast with the latest guideline and recent development in this field. A working model of locomotive lab is available for quick learning in all the aspects of maintenance, operation, and latest technological development of traction rolling stock. and to incorporate theoretical inputs, designs and important features of conventional and three-phase LiPo. Irieen was endowed with the local lab. To widen the horizon of its officers, Irieen has introduced the newly developed computer-based training module on WAP4 and WAG7 for better understanding of the loco circuit. The lab consists of various equipment for the condition monitoring of electrical equipments and insulating materials used in them. There is one hybrid wind and solar plant to give boost to utilization of green energy. For the all-round development of the officers, various cultural events are conducted, and for that Irieen has a huge auditorium. The Knowledge Corner or the library is an encyclopedia of books ranging from technology to fiction, novels, magazines and technology reports. All types of novels, literature, storybooks and magazines. Also available is the daily newspaper. The library also has extensive collection of projects, journals and CDs. Various subject-related books on electrical, civil, railway engineering, codes, manuals, computer, electronics, energy management, etc. are available for references. The Irieen published books and journals are very handy. The motto of Digital India has paved the way for the e-Granthalaya. Of 9 well-qualified and experienced faculty members headed by the director forms the backbone of Irieen. Endowed with the state-of-the-art infrastructure, the Irieen specialized in various management and technological disciplines. The faculties at Irieen are committed professionals with vast experience in their respective fields on railways.
Irieen is the apex training institute for officers of electrical engineering discipline of Indian Railways. It is situated at Nashik Road, about 188 kilometers northeast of Mumbai. The institute endeavors to impart quality training in the fields of electrical engineering and related technology. It deploys state-of-the-art infrastructure and competent faculty for training on traction technology, power electronics, energy management, etc. Even as Indian Railways keeps reinventing itself through the years, there has been a constant and relentless pursuit towards improvement in every field of its activity. Irieen plays a pivotal role in shaping up domain knowledge, expertise, boosting morale and aptitude of its officers.
Experts from reputed academic institutes, captains of the industry and business organizations, leaders from government and corporate regularly invited to share their knowledge and experience. This ensures depth and diversity in learning outcome. Exercising is an integral part of one's life. Keeping this in mind, the best-in-class training, Irieen has a well-equipped gym. The exercise bikes, treadmill, weights and variety of exercising equipments helps the officers remain physically fit.
Exercising is like a worship to me. Just can't stay a day away from it. Finding a gym in Irieen, it's like a sight for the sore eyes.
Love swimming? Well, the Irieen Genie will fulfill that wish too. Yes, you heard it right. Irieen has a swimming pool too. Away from the noise of the crowd of metropolitan cities surely creates a peaceful atmosphere for yoga and meditation. Supervisor Training Center. Located within the Irieen campus is the Supervisor Training Center. Under the control of Irieen, the Railway Board has sanctioned setting up of the STC to cater to the specialized training needs of the newly recruited senior section engineers and junior engineers. The center has been functional since January 2018 and has fostered 50 SSCs in its very first batch. A committed team of supporting staff work tirelessly for the proper functioning of day-to-day work of Irieen. passing out is basically the completion of the course. Officers are both excited and nervous to enter into the new phase of life. The passing out ceremony of the students is balance of sentiment and trimmed with VIP guests coming to honor the officers and motivate them with their inspirational speeches. It is indeed a proud moment to be present there. After the passing out ceremony, officers are posted in various zone and production units in Indian Railways. With all the ultra-modern star amenities, Irieen is surely a temple of learning for the electrical engineers of Indian Railways, which nurture the psychology of preserve what is good, provide what is better, and promote what is the best.